you doing, sir? Deputy Officer, Navajo County Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop is going to be your license plate. The plate you got around it. You can put the kick sign down. I'll show you what I mean. I can't tell if it's a 3 or an 8 on the front of your plate because you got that placard around it and it's blocking it. Okay, so Arizona Revised Statute, the entire plate has to be readable and non-obscured. Okay, so yo necesito leer tu plato. ¿Es una 3 o 8?
What it do, y'all? It's your boy Ashton, back again with another reaction. Let's tap in. Let's see what this video about. Like, share, subscribe. Leave some comments down below, man. Down below, right there, man. Down below. Now. Leave some comments now. Let's get it.
Tres. So, ¿por qué es este? Yo no leo bueno. Okay. So no boleto, without warning. Okay. ¿Tienes identificación o pasaporte?
Sí. Es 3. Pasaporte.
¿Tienes licencia en Arizona o en México?
En México.
Oh, okay. Todo está bien.
Es turista.
Okay.
Licencia.
Sí. ¿Tienes licencia para motorcycle?
Sí. También.
Okay. ¿Tienes documentación para vehículo? Registración.
Sí.
Insurance.
Sí. Todo tengo bien porque.
Okay. ¿Qué ciudad tú viajas?
Albuquerque.
Oh, okay. ¿Por qué?
Voy de paseo.
¿Paseo?
Paseo para
Okay. ¿Qué ciudad tú vives en?
En Sonora, Hermosillo.
Oh, okay.
Sí.
¿Cuántos días o
10 días.
semanas en
10 días nomás.
Okay.
No que he hecho nomás.
Okay.
Tarjeta de circulación.
¿Viajas a la Albuquerque mucho o un tiempo?
Mucho. Cada 3 meses, 2 meses.
Oh, okay.
Con mis amigos.
Okay.
Okay.
¿Nada de armas?
No, nada.
Aquí.
Medicina. Seguridad.
Okay. So, no boleto. So, tú conmigo aquí. Okay. ¿Tú, para tú viajas, dormir en un hotel o casa o qué? ¿Un hotel? ¿Qué hotel?
Hotel 6.
¿Hotel 6?
Sí.
¿En Albuquerque?
Albuquerque y también en Flagstaff me he quedado a dormir.
Okay. ¿Tienes mucho dinero? ¿10,000 o más?
He's starting to ask them questions. He's trying to dig. He's trying to catch him in that lie. He's trying to catch him. He's trying to catch you, sir. He's trying to catch you.
No.
¿Tienes identificación o pasaportes falsos?
No.
¿Tienes armas, pistolas, rifles, granadas? Nada. ¿Tienes drogas?
Nada.
Nada. ¿Tienes cocaína,
Nada, no fumo.
methamphetamine, heroin, fentanil?
No.
Okay. ¿Tienes mota, marihuana?
No, nada.
Okay. Mota está bien aquí para 1 ounce. Okay.
No fumo.
28 gramos.
No.
Nada?
No, ni
Okay.
cigarros.
Un momento. Would you give me your voluntary consent to search your vehicle?
¿Me darías el consentimiento voluntario
¿Sí?
para
Okay.
registrarme?
Es mucho calor aquí.
Qué calor.
Very hot. So just by the answers that this individual gave is the reason why this officer is about to get ready to check his vehicle. You drove all the way out here for a ride? Seems quite bit fishy. You feel me? So you can tell he about to go searching. He about to go dig. Ah! What we gonna find?
He's already filled out the consent paperwork if you don't mind just hanging out with him. He's already filled out the consent paperwork. 431, beginning consent search.
Copy, beginning to attempt search, 10-22 hours.
So, you opened it earlier. I can see we have 1 day of closing here.
I wonder what he's gonna find. I'm so anxious, I'm biting my fingers off. What is he gonna find?
Tienes muchos drogas en vehículo. Un momento, yo necesito usas dos. Yep.
It's crazy.
¿Qué? Un momento.
You told him.
¿Qué? Un momento.
Turn around, sir. And face the ground.
.431 show 11015. Change for the call to drugs.
Copy, 110-15, 10-25 hours.
Cuando no se me va a caer.
Okay. Un momento.
Another person, man.
Nada en los západos.
No.
Okay. Un momento.
¿Puedes subir al pantalón?
¿Qué? Pantalones. Yo necesito un belt más. If he's cool with these two, I'm gonna tighten that one up a little bit.
I got a belly.
Yeah, if you want to switch into that. 431, can you reach out to see if there's any TOM units in the area that maybe will assist with this?
10-4, sir, stand by. 10-26.
Un momento.
Está muy apretado este.
Yeah, un momento. So you need me to take these off and hook it around the front? Or around the back? Un momento, señor.
¿No vas a subir el pantalón?
Sí, está bien.
Well, at least, I don't know. It's a bad situation so far, of course, but cops seem respectable. You feel me? This individual, even though he's doing what he's doing, transporting via whatever he was headed towards or to deliver or whatever, he seems like a pretty decent guy himself. You feel me? This is like an altercation, an incident, but for the most part, everybody's demeanors and mannerisms seem at ease. You feel me? You can tell he messed up. You know he made a wrong decision. It is what it is, man. Hopefully he learned his lesson, man.
I need to give me some of those. Yeah, give me one of those.
Didn't you get one?
I don't think so.
In that class? Oh, take it. You want to
He wants to take it off, yeah.
Take it up. Take it up. Okay.
You need one of my cuffs?
Yeah. Turn around. Oh, the other one. Stop it. See? Yeah. Right, turn. This way. Good. Yep.
Sucks, man.
I can get you.
761.
431. If that was for me, you cut out. Can you 10-9?
761, 431. I've got 410 en route to you for assistance.
10-4.
We all
Thank you,
just
sir.
trying to make a. We just trying to make a living, man.
You're welcome, 1028 hours.
People just trying to make a living.
Here's a passenger seat bag. So it looks as if you just ripped the bottom of the passenger seat off. Four packages.
4 packages. Oh man. Take a picture of the jacket too, just in case. He might be tied to something, some type of gang affiliation. You know, who knows? So we're gonna document this also. That's what this officer is doing right here, but it's just crazy, man. People get caught with all this stuff. It is what it is, man. We're gonna see the charges that he got.
Yeah, so the story was he was going to Albuquerque for a day. Stopped at Flagstaff. When he opened his bag to get his bag out with his registration and stuff, I saw he had like 2 shirts in there. He consents. I'm searching the bag, don't see anything. I lift the bag up, he's got this like this, but it pops right off. You can see it's cut. I'm not entirely sure what it is. Fuck it, it stinks. Then he had his cut in the bag in the back. I don't know. I don't recognize Sonoran gangs. But see if Tom 410 knows anything about them. Yeah, I mean, I hooked him up. As I'm hooking him up, I'm like, tienes muchos drogas. See? So, kind of hard to say you don't know about them when they're under your bag full of shit.
Man. It's your boy Ashton, back again with another reaction. Make sure that you guys like, share the video. I better see you guys sharing the video. I better see it. I appreciate it. I love you guys. Genuinely. Love. Drop a comment. Let me know how you guys feel about these videos. Let me know what you guys want to see me react to. Have a blessed night. Have a blessed day. Peace and love. It's your boy Ashton, and I'm out.